What can you do with the leftover rice? I'm going to show you how to do something very different to what you do normally. I'm using 1 cup of rice. This is for 2 or 3 people. And about 1/4 cup of frozen green peas. About 1/2 cup of any kind of a meat, fish, as you wish. I'm using shredded ham. 4 eggs. You can add 3 or 4 eggs. 1/4 bunch of spring onions or green onions. Few green chilies, that is optional, that I always add few green chilies in my recipes. 1 carrot, 1/4 of a capsicum, few cloves of garlic, salt, pepper to your taste, and about 1/2 teaspoon of vegetable stock powder. So let's start doing this. So simple and easy. Try this recipe when you feel lazy to cook. Into the rice, add the green peas, then add the shredded ham, salt, pepper and the stock powder. Crush the garlic and add the garlic into it. So let's do the rest. Finally, chop the chilies if you are using. This is always optional. You don't need to add chilies, but it gives a nice zing to your dish. And the kids will love this too. So cut the spring onions or the green onions. Add into the bowl. Now the capsicum. Chop it into cubes. Now the carrot. Cut the carrot into cubes too. After, add that into the bowl too. Break the eggs into it. Mix. Now it's ready. So simple. Now I'm going to add some oil or butter into a hot pan and spread it evenly and pour the prepared mix. And when you do this, you need to control the heat. So make sure that you cook this on a very low heat. Because the vegetables are raw, cook this about 5 minutes. So it's best to cover. If the eggs start dripping, just take them over and build a ball like this around. Once you close, it cooks evenly. So now it is ready. Cut it into wedges and serve it with some chutney or sauce. And this is a really nice 1-pot meal that you can cook in 10 minutes. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.